Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Shapes and Colors adventure. Today, we're going to have so much fun exploring different shapes and colors. Are you ready? Look over here. What shape is this?
It's a circle.
That's right, Lola. And what color is it?
It's red.
Excellent job, Lola. Now, let's find more shapes and colors. Who can tell me what shape this is?
It's a triangle.
Yes, it is. And what color is it?
It's blue.
Wonderful. Let's sing a little song about shapes and colors. Circle, circle, round and red, triangle, blue, and on your head, square and green, so big and bright. Shapes and colors are a delight. Great job, everyone! Now let's play a game. I'm going to say a shape, and you find something in the room that matches that shape. Ready?
Ready.
Find something yellow and square. You did it! Fantastic job! Now let's play one more game. I'll say a color, and you can make a shape with your hands that matches that color. Ready?
Ready.
Let's start with red. You all are amazing at this. Now, let's end our adventure with a fun story. Once upon a time, in a land full of colors and shapes, there was a little square named Sammy. Sammy loved to play with his friends, the circles and triangles. One day, they all decided to have a big color party. That was a wonderful story about shapes and colors. Thank you all for joining our Shapes and Colors adventure today. You did an incredible job learning and playing. Until next time, keep exploring and having fun with shapes and colors. And goodbye, everyone.